Now we are going to learn about cleaning up the inequalities. So how to clean up the inequalities? What does it mean? Now we need to start reading. As with equation, your objective is to isolate the variable on one side of the inequality. So whenever we are solving a equation, suppose 2x equals to 4, you need to isolate this variable. So x equals to 4 by 2. In this manner, you will find the value of x. You need to do the same thing whenever you want to find out the variable, find out the inequality, find out the solution of inequality. When the variable is by itself, it is easiest to see what is the solution. Why we need to do this? Why we need to isolate? Because you will find the solution easily. So look at this. Although 2x plus 6 less than 12 and x less than 3 provide the same information, but if you look this one now, let me write 2x plus 6 less than 12 and the another one is x less than 3. So look at this. This one is the inequality and this is the another inequality. Basically this both are same, but whenever you notice you will feel that this one is quite easier. Why? Because it is in the simplest form. Whenever you find any kind of equation which is in simplest form, that will be very easy. So look at this. Although 2x plus 6 less than 12 and x less than 3 provide the same information, the second inequality is the simplest form of the first. You understand the full range of solution much more easily because this is quite easier. When you look at the second inequality, which literally tells you what is the main solution, that means x less than 3. How you can find this one? So look at this. So 2x less than 12 minus 6 means 6. So x less than, this 2 is in that side multiplication, that's why in this side division. So x less than 6. So what does it mean? It means any value which is less than 3. So fortunately the similarities between equation and inequalities do not end here, because a lot of similarities you will find between the inequality and equation. The techniques you will be using to clean up the inequality are the same used to clean up the equation. So here I have a suggestion that those who are able to solve any equation, this is the advantage. So try to figure out this advantage and try to keep on it. So now we are jumping to inequality, addition and subtraction. If you were told that x equals to 5, what would x plus 3 equal? So what you will do? X equals to 5. Now x plus 3 means what? Place this 5 here. So 5 plus 3 equals to what? 8. So look. So x plus 3 equals to 8. In other words, if you add the same numbers of the both side of an equation, the equation is still good. Because x equals to 2. If you add same number in the left side as well as the right side, the value will be same. X plus 3 equals to 5. So the same holds true for inequalities. If you add or subtract the same number from the both side, the inequality will be remains true. So if you add, I am adding here plus 3. This is correct. If you subtract anything, suppose x minus 1 from left side, similarly minus 1. So x minus 1 equals to which one? 1. So this is also same. So now the next one is, they have given an example. Which types of example? Look at this. So a minus 4 is greater than 6. They have added plus 4 in both sides. That's why this plus 4 and minus 4 will be cut down. A will be remaining here and this 6 plus 4 will be 10. That's why it is right. Similarly, y plus 7 less than 3. If you subtract minus 7 from both sides, then this one will be y and this one will be minus 4. So look at this. You can also add or subtract variable from both sides. Yes, both sides of the inequality. There is no difference between the adding or subtracting number from the variables. So they have given the same thing. You can subtract the number as well as the variable also. Look at this. Here you are subtracting the variable. Look, you are adding a variable. So this y and y will be cut down. Here 3 greater than and 0 plus y means y. So these are the actually same thing. Now we are going to the next page. So you need to check out your skill. So which one? Look at this. The first one. Let me solve this one. So first one, number 7. So x minus 6 less than 30. So x less than this 13 plus 6. So because this minus 6 will be transferred in the right side, that's why the sign will be changed. So this one is 13 plus 6 means 19. So our answer will be this one. Then the 8 number 8. Y plus 11 less than or equals to minus 3. Similarly, you need to isolate the variable. So this plus 11 transferring this side, that will be minus 11. So y greater than or equals to minus 24. Similarly, if I solve the number 9 number math, then x plus 7 was greater than 7. Now this plus 7 will be shifted in the right side, then 7 minus 7. So x greater than 0. Solution will be this one. So thank you.